Hi guys, in this video I will show how to install Corvus OS on Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. This is a very cool ROM which has a lot of customization, and I will show you a quick review, and after that I will show you how to install it. Okay, so let's make a quick review of the ROM. Let me tell you a couple of things. First of all, when you install the ROM, you will have the Raven launcher, not the Pixel launcher. The launcher you see is a Pixel launcher. I have installed it, and in order to install it, you can't install just a regular APK file. You need to flash the Pix-ed AOSP zip. How to do that and how to download it, I'll make a video. So let me we'll make a video. I'll cover that topic in this video. Okay, so let's change to this Raven launcher, which is here in this ROM. And let me tell you one thing, that it is super buggy after you install this Pixel launcher. The animations are just going mad. Everything just so strange. As you can see, there's supposed to be an arrow a bit higher and the dog is just covering it. It is not like that. You see, these animations are really strange. They were not before installation. So install Pixelized AOSP, and how to do that I will show you later. But do not install Pixelized AOSP if you don't like this Pixel launcher ROM. Okay, so first of all, do not install Pixelized AOSP. Because maybe you look at this launcher, maybe you like it. If you will not just like, well, I prefer Pixel launcher, well, install Pixelized AOSP after that. But this launcher is cool, but mainly what it does, that it does not have this Google search bar at the bottom. You can remove this Google search bar from the top, of course. So yeah, mainly these are the changes here. Okay, so let me switch back to Pixel Launcher, and Pixel Launcher works every time. It works perfectly, so don't worry, it will work perfectly, always. Okay, so let me show you these custom settings from the ROM developers. So as you can see, we have here the Raven's layer and Raven themes, which I think is a bit strange, because when I wanted to change font, for example, I would search entire Raven's layer menu in order to find the font option, how to change the font. And I could not find this, and I have wasted like 5 minutes of my time because they were in the Raven themes section, which obviously is like normal thing because themes fonts, but like, come on, you could put the Raven themes like in the Raven's layer, but that's the only thing that I would say that is strange in this ROM. But okay, whatever. I just know here, because some visual settings are in Raven themes, some visual settings are in Raven's layer, so I think it is really, really strange. Okay, so maybe let me show this Raven's layer. So I have a lot of settings here, and these settings are, well, here are some 4 groups. Here are 4 groups, which are divided by some other segments here. So as you can see, here's the notification segment. You can change like a lot of things like battery life, but I don't quite know what is this, because I have it like enabled and nothing is colored. Is that this battery sign here, or is this this diode, this white diode which Xiaomi has built in, but it's only white color. It is not able to show any other colors, so I don't know why is this feature here, but mainly because they have a lot of this same ROM for a lot of other phones, so maybe this is why, that's why, and they have just ported it here. Let me show you one cool thing as well, because in battery, as you can see here, this is the current battery capacity, and I have like 2,500 milliampere hours or so. And now don't be freaked out when you have this small amount, when you have designed battery capacity like 4,060, and I have like 2,500. Well, I thought that this is the capacity which my battery now can hold. So for example, 100% of battery on my phone is like 2,500, and it is not like that, because it shows like not the percentage of your battery, how much energy your battery can hold. It just shows not the health of your battery, it shows just how much energy is right now in your battery. So I hope you understand me. When you have an iPhone, there's feature of iPhone 6 and up that your current battery health, for example, it's 100%, so that means your battery is great. And I thought it's the same thing here, which current battery capacity is your basically health, how much energy it can hold. But no, it is how much energy is in battery right now. So don't be freaked out. In order to know your current battery capacity, charge your phone to the 100% and just maybe wait like 10 minutes on 100% and make sure it is charged like for 100%, and then you'll have your current battery capacity. It's your like health battery. I have like 3900 and it's like really cool battery health. Now, I will not show you every Android 11 features. Every Android 11 feature is here because when you have this early stage ROMs, you don't have much features of new Android or something. Yeah, but here they are. All these features. The Easter egg is working. What's the really proper Easter egg? I will show you on the next video. I'll make a next video with the really Android 11 Easter egg. So in order to know all these features, you need to just dig here and do the research on your own, because the video will be really, really long. So let's maybe go to the installation. But before that, let me tell you about the bugs. First bug is whenever you want to transfer a file by a cable from a phone to a computer. When you connect your phone to a computer, you cannot basically just go on the computer to the file explorer or something. You can't just get these files and transfer. Even when you have in the developer setting, you can't change the mode, and you need to reboot to recovery, and after that in the recovery you need to transfer files by cable. It's a hustle, but whatever. Second bug is in the Magisk, because you cannot root your phone directly. Basically, it's the issue on my phone, of course, but you can root it. I have rooted it, and this is how. Basically, first thing, in the Magisk Manager on this ROM, I don't know why, it does not show download the zip file of Magisk. There's option to patch the boot image of Magisk, and this is the only option. You cannot download it. But I have downloaded zip from the other ROM, my previous ROM, and I have flashed it in the recovery. It works perfectly fine. It's super cool right now. Everything's cool, working super. So I'll leave the link in the description for the Magisk zip in the description. And other bug is whenever you type on the notification, click on notification, so for example from Messenger or something, it will not open you the app, it will disappear, or it won't disappear. So in order to check the notifications, you need to go to the app. Hope you understood what I said, because notifications, they work, but you can't just type and go into the app. So let's install. First of all, reboot to recovery. How to do that? Soon I'll make a video how to unlock the bootloader. If you have it unlocked, great. And then you need to install recovery. TWRP Orange Fox does not matter, but I recommend Orange Fox because I have it. And so if you have any questions or something, it's better to have Orange Fox recovery, because it is a better recovery with unlocked data partition, so you can install root or flash any zip after installation whenever you want to. So let's go over to our recovery, and you can delete all the data, so your photos and download files. But if you want to, of course, if you don't want to, just leave it. So in order to clear all the data, you need to go to menu, manage partitions, format data, yes, in Orange Fox, or in TWP, wipe format data in DS. But if you want to do the clean installation, you don't need to do that, but you can, of course. So if you want to leave your data, just skip this format data step and go straight to advanced wipe. So in Orange Fox is just in wipe, and in TWRP it's just you go wipe and advanced wipe, and select every partition if you want to clear your data, your photos and your downloads, but apps will not be installed. But if you want to leave them, your internal storage, just do not select internal storage and swipe. How to transfer apps with a flashable zip. Soon I will make a video as well, so you have the zip backup. So it will work with any ROMs. So you need to have your zip, and you'll just flash it in the recovery, and will have your apps whenever you want to. So stay tuned for that. I think it is a really cool idea for the video. So now you see here that you have a lot of files here. So you can download the vanilla version of the ROM, which will not have any gaps. And you can download the version with built-in gaps, which developers have given you, and well, they made it in the ROM. But I recommend you to get the vanilla and download the gaps which I have used, so you will have every feature that I do. So you will have every feature that I do, and you will know, and if something is wrong, I will not know how to answer. But it's up to you, of course. If you'll have any questions, just write them in the comments. So select your ROM first, add to queue. After that, select your open gaps. If you have chosen vanilla version of the ROM, of course, which I recommend you to do so, and you'll have the gaps in the description. And Pix-ed AOSP if you want to have the Pixel launcher, but I recommend you to not. So add to queue Pix-ed AOSP, and I recommend you to leave it and just install it without Pix-ed AOSP. Look if you like the launcher. If you do, just do not install Pix-ed AOSP, but if you don't, just install Pix-ed AOSP. And installation of Pix-ed AOSP ends with error 7 always, so don't worry if you'll have it, it just installed successfully. So I just skipped the installation process, I just code it in the editor. Just not to waste time, but I will set Pixel Launcher because I prefer Pixel Launcher if you have installed Pixelized AOSP. So great, we're in the ROM, and now I'll make a time lapse how I set up the ROM the way I like it, because I don't like this old Google dialer, and I don't like these messages and everything. I'll install just every app I like. So yeah, let me change the wallpaper. Links for the Google dialer, so the new version of the dialer will be in the description. New messages you can download from the Play Store. Okay, so that's it. I have installed all the apps. Well, I have installed this zip file of my apps. So as you can see here, I have the migrate. How to do that, I will show you in the not the next video, but after next video. So as you can see, here's the phone app, and it is the new app. How to switch to it? I have disabled old phone app, and now select the new phone app, so it will be your phone app. Hope you understand. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I always answer your comments. So I have installed new messages. I have disabled all the apps I don't like, and now I'll just restore my apps. How to do that, I will show you. The zip is not bigger than 3.5 gigabytes, so the maximum, but always it is not that big. So restore apps and data, and I will show you this is a cool feature, you know. I just click on restore apps and data, grant root permissions. Obviously root is not that hard to install, so I'll show you everything how to do that. So SMS, I have backed it up previously, but I don't want to install them. I want to install only the apps. So click on restore, go ahead, 3, 2, 1, and restore now has started. So that was it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Have enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share the video with your friends is very important. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next videos. So cool videos like this backups and more cool stuff upcoming. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you later.